Most Americans are losing over $500 every single month without realizing it. And it's not because they earn less. It's because of these 5 money mistakes. Mistake number 3 destroys your future wealth if you ignore it. Welcome to Smart Money Decision, the channel that helps you make smarter money choices so your money actually works for you. Let's get started. Mistake number 1, not tracking expenses. Most people think they know where their money goes. They don't. Subscriptions, food delivery, small impulse buys quietly drain your account. Track every dollar for 30 days and you'll be shocked by the results. Mistake number 2, keeping money in low-interest savings accounts. If your savings earn less than inflation, you are losing money silently. High-yield savings accounts are paying 4 to 5% right now. But most people still leave their money in old accounts. Mistake number 3, using credit cards the wrong way. Credit cards are either a tool or a trap. If you carry a balance, you are paying 20 to 30% interest every year. Smart people use credit cards for rewards and pay them off in full every month. Mistake number 4, not investing at all. Saving alone will never make you wealthy. Long-term investing in simple index funds or ETFs builds wealth over time. Yet most people stay scared and do nothing. Mistake number 5, having no long-term plan. Without a plan, money disappears. A simple system works. Earn more, save more, and invest automatically. If you fix these mistakes, your money will start working for you instead of against you. Subscribe to Smart Money Decision for weekly videos that help you make better money moves.